going to pick up Patty again. I don't know how I feel about today. I'm not too excited about. She wants to go to a mountain or go to the beach. It just stay on. If it go black, it just stay on. Okay.
Come back.
I want you to get Ploy. Okay. That's the main thing I need you to film. Ploy. Hold on. Let me.
Okay. Go.
Back. Really going for it. Ready?
Come back. Go, slap it. No, go. You see, go. ไปทางไฟแดง ฮัลโหลกำลังไป โอเค ตอนนี้อยู่ไหน โอเค เดี๋ยวกูรอตรงข้าม7-Eleven โอเค wait she opposite 7-Eleven she work go you see happy bar
Yeah.
you start
Where is she?
I think no, you see, have women work. Oh yeah, I think. Yeah, she? No. I don't know.
Is that her? On the right?
No, I don't know.
Looks like might be her.
She?
Maybe.
Because I may not good.
So yeah, we're lost, and she's so shoddy.
Yeah, I think she.
That's she, right?
Yeah, she. She? No.
No. No, not she.
No, not she. You remember? You remember Dao?
Me?
You remember Dao? My name Dao.
Dao?
Yes, Dao and film.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You not remember? She?
I remember.
Yeah, I think she sure. Go.
Bye.
Bye. Yes, she.
Oh my God. Run!
I tell her I wait her for lonely, but she said okay, where are you? I think I
No, one top. Money, I'll come back.
You coming or what?
Let's move here.
That way?
Yes.
ให้กดขาตัด
ไปนั่งข้างหน้าหรือว่า
โอ้แพทอย่า
I take camera.
กูยอมเสี่ยงกูยอมตายข้างหลัง
Oh, we're tripling up Thai style. Oh my God, dangerous.
No นั่งข้างหน้าดีกว่า
So dangerous. You ready, Ploy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not
Are
ready.
you sure you can die? I think
No.
you can die.
Can?
Okay, I can
No.
die.
We're back at this viewpoint. Been here many times already. Tripled up. survive the Thai style ride. She goes, oh, it's not far. It was like 20 minutes. My balls hurt just from sitting on the bike crunched up. Very beautiful. Shuai Ting Ting.
Me?
No. No. My.
Get out.
Of course you, but not beautiful.
นะหวานมาก
So yep, waiting on me and Patty been driving around. We haven't picked up Ploy. Take it to work. What's up, buddy? What's up, my guy? How are you? How are you? You doing good? You a good dog? Yes, you're a good dog. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. It's a good dog. So anyways, yeah, me and Patty went and picked up Ploy. I know Ploy from Massey Bar. I know Ploy from 2020, I think 2019 as well. I'm not sure, she was there both years. But Ploy, good people. I used to call her Paula. I didn't know her name was Ploy for like 2-3 months. But I'm near Chalong Pier. Chalong Pier is behind me. And this guy just rolling around. You just rolling around, huh, bro? What you doing? What you doing, bro? What you doing? What you doing, my man? Huh? Just living the life of a beach dog, are ya? Just living the life. Where are ya? Yeah. You wanna say hello? Hello? What you doing? What you doing, my guy? But yeah, so she's changing. Chalong Pier is right there, going all the way out. She lives somewhere over here. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing. I think we might get some food. We might go to Phuket Old Town Market. I kind of want to go to the market because I've never been there and I want to see it. And it's not too late. It's 8 o'clock. So it is doable. Oh, my man's got a muzzle on. Hello, my friend. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Hello. Hello, pretty dog. Where you going? What you doing? Oh, you peeing? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, you stink. You stinky. You stinky. So I've avoided the full moon parties tonight, it seems like, which is okay. I don't really mind. I've had enough. I'm tired, my body's burnt out, and I need to focus. I've already had a couple beers, but I'm not trying to go nowhere too far. I think market might be out of the question. I don't know, we'll see what she wants to do. But she should be out in a minute, and then we go. whole menu's in Thai, almost. That's how you know this place is good. I came here with Annie one time, and she's now asking me for money. Oh, wait. So, anyways, we're gonna get some food. We're gonna eat good. I feel like eating good tonight. Me and Patty the Pro having a good night, playing some pool, drink some beers. Suai ching ching. Kun Patty suai ching ching. One chai one. So I got a Federbräu. I don't know what this is. German single malt. It's actually pretty good. Check out this fish she got. Looks amazing. Some some chicken, and I'm waiting on some soft shell crab. It's good. Arai? I mean, aroi. Ah.
Sweet.
Sweet. Oh, very good. Thank you. Ah. And then the soft shell crab. Some chili. Oh, we got a feast right here, my friends. Eddie. Choke chai out there. Addie, where are we? She don't know the name, but it's nice. I've never been here before.
In Thai, เสือผืนหมอนใบ like a
Maybe it's just called Cup C. I'm not sure. But yeah, I got the water right over there. We can go have a nice seat. We just ordered a little bit of lunch, a little bit of snacks, and we're gonna just relax and enjoy the Sunday today. Show you what the food looks like. Of course, nothing fancy today. She got some pesquettis, and we got some miso and rice, tofu, and some French fries. Just because drink lots of alcohol, need to soak it all up. Check this view out, man. This place is the shit. Not sure what beach this is over here, but yeah, very nice, beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful lady. So she got what kind of spaghetti?
ผัดขี้เมา
Hot chemo?
สปาเกตตี้ขี้เมา
Chemo.
like a เขาเรียกว่าอะไรวะ English like a ขี้เมา like a เดี๋ยว alcoholism
Okay. And then this is like some rice with grilled tofu in a miso with some mushrooms. And then a sampler of onion rings, chicken nuggets, french fries, shrimp for the belly. That's just a taste sample. Nice, very beautiful. Daddy! She's not looking. Ooh. Look at this massive rock. It looks like it was cut right down there. I swear these rocks are amazing to me, especially when you start to see the rocks for what they are and not them just being rocks. I'm probably standing on the bones of a giant right now. That looks like a body right there. Where is it? Nope, it's up there. It's like a head. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at the water, man. So we're here at Home Pro. Me and Patty the Pro at Home Pro. Home Pro. Just ran into Matt Sobek from Tiger. He rocking the afro as usual. But yeah, we're just getting out of the rain. I've never been here before. Just walking around, checking it out. And my contact's falling out. I need to fix this. But yeah, we'll see if anything interesting here. Looks a little bougie. Looks nice. What's this way? That's Home Pro?
yes
Okay. Well, you take me where we go. I don't know where to go. Yeah. So we just cooling, staying dry, staying cool. Right, Pat? Patty the Pro just showed me about this, which are contacts, and they're only $2.90, $9, and you don't even need a prescription. You just come in, you know your shit, you just buy them. So I will come back and buy some because I forget if I'm 150 or 175. I don't remember what my things are, but yeah, I'm gonna come back and get some contacts for sure. Right, Pro? Back again, Big Buddha. This time with Patty the Pro. Need to see some monk because we drink too much. Me and this girl, toxic. We drink all night long. Oh my God. No good. My sabai, not good. Oh, master dugong. You know how to dugong? I show you. Okay, we must see monk. Make offerings and go from there. All right, so we stopped here for a bite to eat. Maybe to just kind of catch a sunset. She ordered a Vietnamese salad.
Yum.
Huh?
Yum.
Yum. That's what it's called? Yum?
Yes.
And I got me a good old glass noodle soup. Oh, that looked good. Very good, very good. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy, me and Patty, and might end up cutting this video. This might be the last video of the night, the day. After this, I probably go sleep. And I'm starting to talk Thai. I gotta stop talking Thai to you guys. You're not, you're not on that Thai accent, broken English. But yeah, this is at Big Buddha Mountain. I don't know the name of the restaurant, but oh, MB, Mountain Breeze. That is the name, Mountain Breeze. I think I came here once with Juma and Claudia, and yeah, we're just gonna relax. Easy day, Thailand, easy life, you know? So maybe there'll be sunset, maybe not sure. So it is November 14th. Just having a quick breakfast at Coffee Cycle. It's a nice little joint, kind of hidden in the Chalong Bay area. Chalong Pier is behind me to the right. So yeah, you see a lot of people getting on boats, getting ready to go to the islands. It's probably like 200 people walking the boats right now. Makes me jealous. I want to go on the island trip. Anyway, take a look at the joint. Nice little spot. They got a whole Christmas Day thing going, and yeah, very nice, yeah, you know, very good. Menu a little bit expensive, but it's okay. It look nice, you know what I'm saying? A little chop. Nice place, nice place. We got the Pro. So anyways, yep, today we go fix motorbike. We get them to fix their end, and then I'll fix my end of the motorbike in a couple of days. Tomorrow, immigration, but today later, boxing with Boy. And yeah, I'll film all that, probably be a whole video just for that. And yeah, we'll fill in the gaps in between there. See you next. So she ordered some rice soup. Looks like it has, is it pork in there or just pork, rice, egg?
Yes.
Spicy?
But you want, you can put.
Oh, you can make spicy, but it's good for breakfast?
Why not?
Why not? And I got what was called the big breakfast, which is similar to an English breakfast, I believe. Got some tomatoes, mushrooms, 2 eggs, sausages, bacon, baked beans, toast, and I think that's like pickled, I don't know what that is. Like, it might be marmalade, but I'm not sure. Or jam. But mine was a little pricey at $2.90, but it came with a coffee. But at the same time, you know, getting a lot of food for $9 here. Get out of here, fly. So I'm gonna enjoy. We're gonna enjoy. On to the next. Alright, so today where we're eating at Mona's Kitchen, which is I don't know, 2,000 feet from Tiger. I met Mona one time. I thought she was pretty, and I tried to buy her some stuff at a cart, but then she was buying food for the restaurant. She had a whole shitload of stuff, and then I didn't buy it. But yeah, so I'm gonna try it out. There's people doing like a church group meeting in there, so I don't want to film in there. It's gonna be awkward. People are gonna look at me funny. It's a real small place, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm just gonna wait for this camera to go black, and then what I'll do is I'll just walk in, and then nobody will even know that I'm filming. I'll just hold it up. That's what I like about the GoPro. It goes black after a while, and then nobody would even know. But yeah, just finished training with Boy. Had basically just held for 5 rounds, 6 rounds. Good session. And yeah, we're gonna go eat some food and recover. Back to training on Wednesday. Tomorrow we go to immigration. Sweet. So I'm waiting for the rest of my food, but it's gonna get cold if I don't eat it soon. Some cow soy chicken. She pointed to this on the menu. I'm like, what, is that good? She goes, yep. Alright, well, let's try it. Cow soy chicken. And I also ordered some papaya salad and something else. Forgot what else I ordered. We'll look at that when that comes. I remember masaman curry chicken with rice and some papaya salad. So, yep, we're gonna eat. Looks good. Looks like raspberry rice. I'm not sure. Finally, the som papaya salad. Good organs, help you digest all this meat. We're gonna feast, my friends.